Yesterday, my AI bot closed $1,100 in sales. Everyone that visited my website, he went and reached out to personally from me on my behalf. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links, and I've been doing this marketing stuff for 10 years, worked with over 2,500 brands. In my video, I'm going to break down and show you exactly how you can build your own AI bot so it follows up with your leads. Now, all it takes is just a couple prompts where you fill it out and you tell it a little bit about yourself, and it'll be fully customized for you. And if you want this full bot, just comment, chat down below. Somebody from my team will send it over. Once you answer a few questions about what you are, what your business is, or what you're looking for, it's going to go ahead and start customizing it for you. Your prompts the AI comes out with is only as good as the information you give it. So the better information you give it, the better response it's going to get you. First, I'm going to give it my name. I'm then going to tell it a little bit about my company, my website, and then it'll start customizing it from there. Add a profile picture and automatically it's updated. And then what you can do is get logged in and start setting up your account. Now that you're in your account, you need to set it up and give it as much information as you possibly can. So we called it the training, where you're going to actually go train your bot so it speaks and acts just like you. What it does is it pops up as a live chat widget, and or you can embed it or even use it as a link for your social media. You're going to go ahead and add your basic information like your name, your logo, or just a profile picture of yourself. From there, it's going to go through 6 simple steps that you're going to walk through where you're going to fill it out, answer some questions, then it'll be fully trained. The next thing you can do is start adding your YouTube videos. So as an example, this video here, I'll go ahead and add the YouTube link and it'll start being trained on what I say in my YouTube videos and also reference that. So if you have a YouTube channel, that's great. And it'll start referencing your videos in your chats. It'll also start learning from you and become your knowledge base. So anything it writes, like social media posts or blogs, it writes just like the words that you say. Next thing you can do is go ahead and add any documents. So any transcriptions, any audio files, any manuals, even website copy. You want to put in here so it gets fully trained on everything about you and your brand. Now, once it's all set up, you're going to get a widget code that you can go and copy and paste into your website. You can also set it up on a custom domain. That way you can go ahead and put something like chat.yourwebsite.com. That way you can just send it through ads or your social media links so you get more leads signing up. Once it's fully trained, now it's time to start creating your content. And what you're going to do is go ahead and create content for every single one of these channels. AI SEO is focused on these channels and putting these as a priority in AI search results. Somebody asks something on ChatGPT, it'll reference your blog, Medium articles, Reddit posts, Quora, Pinterest, and all these multiple channels. So all you have to do is go and generate some content and it'll bring up a pop-up for you here. Now you can go ahead and write content in here and it'll go ahead and craft the perfect post for you. You can upload an audio file or you can just paste your YouTube link here and it'll fully create that post for you. Once that's done, it'll be saved in your library and then you can go ahead and schedule this out, copy and paste it onto these channels and start posting it to get more content. Now, once that's completely done, it's time to start following up with your leads. So you need to head over to the audience tracker and you need to connect your Google Analytics. Once you connect your Google Analytics, it'll start reporting back all of the website visitors or the people that go to your chatbot. Another cool feature is we partner with Data Shopper that you can go ahead and sync, and it's going to track every single person that visits your website. What it's going to do is then identify them, see how long they've been on your website, and it's going to go ahead and add them to the CRM, and your chatbot will start emailing, texting, or DMing any contacts that hit your chatbot from there. This is a great way to build relationships and make sure you follow up with all of your leads. Now, if you want the complete training, how to work with AI and AI SEO, go ahead and go to courses and community here. Start with the AI SEO course, and it's going to break down exactly how you can generate AI content for yourself, for your brand, so you start getting more leads. Once that system's set up and you install your chat widget and it's fully trained, start making your content, start getting those leads coming in, and then it's time to turn it into ads and continue marketing your business so you can grow online. Now remember, if you want this chatbot for you or your brand, comment bot down below so somebody from my team can send this over. And if this video brought you any value, I hope that you subscribe to this channel, continue checking this out and making great content based on your voice. Nobody wants to hear AI, they want to hear from you. You just need to train it right. If you want to learn more about this and these videos, check out this playlist here where I break it down even more. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.